Hello and welcome to Delightful, Delicious, Delovely. My name is Christina Lees, and today I'm going to be making a vegan garlic sesame chicken. In the past I've made this with Beyond Meat's chicken strips. I would defrost them, shred them, and make them into this chicken dish. I found this Morningstar, it's veggie pulled pork. A lot of their products aren't vegan. This one happens to be. The ingredients on this are water, soy protein, isolate, wheat, gluten, and corn oil. So this is vegan, and it's already shredded up. So it's fake pork, but I'm calling it fake chicken. So I am going to make a vegan garlic sesame chicken. With this here, it's very, very simple. My initial recipe for this was for the slow cooker. You can do that. There'll be a link in the notes below with to my blog. We'll have the slow cooker version and this version, the old slow cooker version. Actually, I'll link the old slow cooker version down there. And that recipe was only vegetarian because I used honey in it, but this one is going to be vegan, and I forgot one ingredient, excuse me. Because I'm not using honey, I'm going to use a little bit of agave nectar. Alright, so to get this started, I'm going to use a tablespoon of sesame oil. I'm going to heat that up, and to it, I'm going to add this is a quarter of a pretty big red onion, but half a small onion. I used a red one. Any kind of onion works just fine. Alright. Now let this soften a bit. And the rest of the ingredients are very, very simple. What I'm going to be adding in different increments are some garlic, some hoisin sauce, some agave, some jam. I'm going to be using, in this case, blueberry orange marmalade. Any kind of dark jam except for grape. If you use blueberry, blackberry, jam, just don't use grape. I don't know who uses grape jam. Grape is yucky. Some crushed red pepper and a little bit of cornstarch and that faux meat, and that is the full ingredients. You serve this will make enough for two good sized meals for two with rice. Alright. I'm going to give this a second to get soft, and I'll be back in just a bit. Okay, these guys are looking soft, so quickly I'm going to add, this is 6 minced cloves of garlic. I'm heavy on the garlic. It is, after all, a sesame garlic chicken. When you use garlic burns very quickly. After about a minute over high heat, it will burn and get bitter. You don't want to have that happen, so I like to add it when I know within a minute I'm going to be adding other ingredients. Garlic smells so good. Alright, what did I do next? Now I'm going to add, I forgot, this is half a cup of low sodium or light soy sauce. And I need a quarter cup of, that was soy sauce. This is a quarter cup of vegetarian or vegan hoisin sauce. Ooh. Gives it the nice thick chocolatey color. Hope that's enough. I'm going to add a quarter cup of this jam. As you can see, I'm an eyeballer. About a quarter cup of this dark berry jam. Like I said, I'm using blueberry orange. Orange would be a nice flavor in there. And initially the recipe called for half a cup of honey. I'm not going to use honey. I'm going to use just a squirt. That's probably a hefty tablespoon of agave nectar. Mix that in there. Alright. Now I'm going to add a little bit of crushed red pepper. I like my stuff spicy. This is probably 2 teaspoons, which is a lot. Go lighter if you don't like your stuff spicy. This is fresh too. When it's really fresh, it's going to burn my nose. Fresh red pepper is tickling my nose. Alright, that's kind of it. Now I'm going to add this fake meat. It's all shredded like soy curls. If you've ever seen soy curls, it's really an unfortunate and unappetizing thing to call a basic food product, but soy curls, that's what these look like. Alright. And this doesn't even need any cornstarch, but I'm not going to add any cornstarch to this. I added it in the slow cooker version, but I'm not adding it in this. And then basically you just heat this through over a medium heat until everything's warm and the flavors are mixed. And there you have it. Serve it with some rice, garnish it with scallions or Thai basil. Thai basil would be really nice on this. And some sesame seeds, and you have it. There you have it. This is my vegan garlic sesame chicken. Full stop. Quick and easy. I think if you'll try most of my Asian fake meat dishes, whether they have fake meat in them or chickpeas or garbanzo beans or whatever, the Asian dishes come together really fast. They tend to consist of basically soy sauce, ginger, garlic, maybe some hoisin sauce, maybe some sesame oil, but they're all sort of variations on that theme, and this is no exception. If you want this to be the really dark, rich color that is in my photographs, you could either stir in a little bit of black soy sauce, which is it's very salty, so go light with it, but it adds color, or you could just cook this longer until these curls absorb all that darkness. And that's it. The color is just an aesthetic thing. It's got nothing to do with flavor. And that is that. Okay, I'm rambling. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and click the little notification bell down there so you can get an email whenever I post new things. And that is that. Thanks. Until next time. Bye.